Hello, fellow content creators. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the concept of YouTube CPM, cost per mil, and show you how to increase it effectively to maximize your earnings. As a content creator, you know how much effort it takes to produce quality videos, but you may still find yourself struggling to earn as much as you'd like. CPM is a crucial metric that determines the amount of money you make on YouTube. In this video, we'll help you understand what CPM is, how it's calculated, and why it's important for your earnings. We'll also share some practical and actionable tips to help you increase your CPM and earn more money from your YouTube videos. These tips include creating targeted content, using different ad formats, optimizing your video length, and engaging with your audience. We'll explain each of these strategies in detail, so you can apply them to your videos and start seeing results. We've provided you with additional resources in the description below to help you achieve your goals, whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting. Our ultimate aim is to help you take your content creation game to the next level and make the most of your efforts. So, if you're looking to boost your YouTube earnings and get the most out of your content, this video is a must-watch for you. Let's get started. 1. Quality over quantity. When it comes to creating videos, it's essential to prioritize quality over quantity. Rather than focusing on creating as many videos as possible, it's crucial to take the time to craft each one meticulously. One way to understand this concept is to think of baking a cake. If you were making a cake for a special occasion, you wouldn't want to serve a half-baked or poorly mixed mess, right? Instead, you would pay attention to every detail, from measuring the ingredients meticulously, mixing them in the right proportion, and baking them to a perfect golden brown. Similarly, when creating videos, you should dedicate ample time to come up with engaging content that keeps your viewers hooked from start to finish. The script, graphics, and overall visual appeal should be top-notch. You should also pay close attention to the technical details, such as lighting, sound quality, and editing, to ensure that the video looks and sounds good enough to go viral. By prioritizing quality over quantity, you'll be able to create videos that people will want to watch repeatedly. This, in turn, will help you to build a loyal audience that keeps coming back for more and eventually boost your brand's visibility. 2. Engage with your audience. One of the most important factors in growing your channel and increasing your CPM rates is engaging with your audience. By actively interacting with your viewers, you can foster a sense of community within your fan base and build a strong following. To achieve this, it's crucial to focus on creating a connection with your viewers. One effective way to do this is by responding to comments on your videos. By acknowledging your viewers' thoughts and opinions, you show that you value their feedback and appreciate their engagement. It's also a good idea to ask for feedback and suggestions from your audience, as this can help you tailor your content to their interests and preferences. Incorporating your viewers' suggestions into your videos is another powerful way to engage with your audience. By doing so, you show that you're listening to their feedback and are committed to creating content that resonates with them. When you engage with your audience in this way, you create a sense of community that can help build a loyal fan base. Your viewers will feel more connected to you and your content, and this can lead to higher levels of engagement, such as more likes, shares, and comments on your videos. When your viewers feel they're part of a community, they're more likely to continue watching your videos for longer periods, which can have a positive impact on your CPM rates. Engaging with your audience is a critical element of growing your channel and increasing your CPM. By fostering a sense of community among your viewers and making them feel valued and appreciated, you can create a loyal fan base that will support you and your content over the long term. 3. Optimize your metadata. Optimizing your video metadata is a vital step towards achieving better visibility and discoverability for your videos. It involves carefully selecting the perfect outfit that suits the occasion, but in this case, it means choosing relevant keywords that can help search engines understand the content of your video. This will then enable the search engines to show your video to people who are searching for content related to those keywords. To optimize your videos for search engines, it's essential to use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. You can achieve this by researching relevant keywords and phrases that are commonly used by your target audience. There are several keyword research tools you can use to find relevant keywords, such as Google AdWords Keyword Planner, YouTube Keyword Tool, or vidIQ. It's important to use keywords that accurately describe your video content and are commonly used by your target audience. This will ensure that your videos show up in the search results when people are looking for specific content. By optimizing your metadata, you increase your chances of reaching a wider audience and driving more traffic to your channel, which can help you gain more views and subscribers. Optimizing your metadata can help you achieve better visibility and discoverability for your videos. By investing time in researching relevant keywords and phrases that accurately describe your video content, you can improve your video's chances of getting discovered by the right audience. This, in turn, can help you grow your channel and achieve your video marketing goals. 4. Monetize wisely. When it comes to generating revenue from your content, relying exclusively on ads may not be the best strategy. While it's true that ads can be a significant source of income, their profitability can be affected by a variety of factors, including market trends, seasonality, and competition for ad space. As a result, it's advisable to explore other monetization options as well. One of the most effective ways to generate revenue from your content is by seeking sponsorships from brands that are relevant to your content and audience. This can be done by collaborating with brands to create sponsored posts or videos that showcase their products or services. By working with brands that align with your values and style, you can create content that resonates with your audience while also earning a steady income. Another monetization option is to set up a merchandise store. This is an excellent way to offer your fans a chance to purchase branded products such as t-shirts, hats, or other merchandise that they can wear or use to show their support for your content. By creating high-quality merchandise that your audience will love, you can generate a steady stream of income that will supplement your ad revenue. Finally, you might consider setting up a Patreon account. Patreon is a platform that allows your audience to support you financially every month. This can be an effective way to generate revenue from your most dedicated fans, who may be willing to pay a premium for exclusive content, early access, or other perks that you offer. By diversifying your income streams with these and other monetization options, you can create a more sustainable business model that will help you weather any fluctuations in CPM rates. This way, you won't have to solely rely on ad revenue to support your content creation efforts, and you can continue to create the content that your audience loves without worrying about financial instability. 5. Stay consistent. Building a successful YouTube channel is a challenging but rewarding experience that requires dedication, effort, and patience. It's important to understand that success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. Instead, it requires a long-term commitment to creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. One of the most critical factors in building a successful YouTube channel is consistency. Consistency means uploading videos regularly and sticking to a content schedule that works best for you. By being consistent, you can establish a loyal audience that knows when to expect your new content, which helps to keep them engaged and interested in your channel. However, consistency doesn't only mean uploading videos regularly. It's equally important to maintain consistency in the quality of your content, branding, and messaging. Your videos should always align with your brand, communicate your message effectively, and provide value to your audience. To achieve success on YouTube, it's essential to keep in mind that it's a long-term process that requires hard work and perseverance. You may not see immediate results, but by staying consistent and working towards your goals, you'll eventually see progress and success. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is to keep creating and improving your content while building and nurturing a loyal audience. 6. Collaborate with others. Collaborating with other creators can be an exceptional way to expand your channel's reach and bring new perspectives to your content. When two or more heads work together, they can offer a diverse range of ideas, skills, and expertise, resulting in something truly unique and engaging that resonates with audiences on a deeper level. Partnering up with other creators can also introduce your channel to new audiences who may not have discovered your content otherwise. By working with people who have different styles, interests, and audiences, you can tap into new demographics and expand your reach. Collaborating with fellow creators also allows you to benefit from their experience and knowledge. As you learn new techniques, acquire new skills, and share your expertise. Moreover, collaborating with friends and fellow creators can be a great way to build relationships and create meaningful connections within the online community. It's a chance to bounce ideas off each other, brainstorm, and share your creative process to create something truly memorable. Collaborating encourages teamwork, and the sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that comes from working together towards a common goal is truly rewarding. Lastly, Collaborating with other creators is a fantastic way to broaden your audience, learn new skills, and build relationships within the online community. So, if you are looking to take your content to the next level, collaborating with other creators is worth considering. 7. Keep learning and adapting. To succeed on YouTube, it's essential to remain vigilant and adaptable in the ever-changing digital landscape. One of the most valuable ways to accomplish this is by keeping up to date with the latest trends and developments in the industry. You can do this by attending workshops or conferences, where you can network with other creators and learn new strategies for growing your channel. In addition to attending such events, it's also important to stay informed about changes in the YouTube algorithm. The algorithm can affect how your content is discovered and recommended to viewers, so being aware of updates and changes can help you optimize your content for maximum visibility. Keeping up with these changes can be a demanding task, but it's critical for anyone looking to make a lasting impact on the platform. Conclusion. So there you have it, a roadmap to boosting your YouTube CPM and transforming your hobby into a profitable venture. It's important to note that making a living through YouTube requires a combination of creativity, persistence, and a bit of luck. However, with these tips highlighted in this video, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals. So why not leap and conquer the YouTube world? Rest assured, we'll be rooting for you every step of the way. Don't forget to check the links in our description below for additional resources. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. Until we meet again, keep a positive attitude.